Welcome back, guys, to Wild Ass Farm. And judging by this cute little picture, this is a rabbit video. This is a hutch that I built most recently for the Flemish Giant bucks that I have acquired. It's a new breed for us, and with new things come new trials and tribulations. Flemish Giants are a little bit more prone to sore hocks because of their overall size. This hutch is going to be a ground-based hutch. You'll notice that it does have chicken wire on the very bottom of the frame, and that's to prevent these big dudes from, well, digging out. And in true fashion and form for me, I did start building before I started videoing, and so you're looking at what I have so far. The back of this big monstrosity is 3 feet, not including the 2x4 on the top, and the front of it is 2 feet, not including the 2x4 on the top. Now, I am putting a division here that's going to be solid, just like the plywood at the back. This hutch is basically a bachelor pad condo. So there is a 2x4 running the length of the building, and that is the division wall. One here, one there, and all in all, I think it will work out just fine. It is a big space, regardless. It's about 4 foot from the back wall to the front wall. So I think that there's going to be plenty of space. Also, with the wall height in the back, I can build them a ledge, so to speak, where they can hang out and enjoy the scenery. In my head, it works out beautifully. We'll see if it scratches out in real life. Now that I have things just a little bit more shored up with the top and the sides, they're not attached quite yet, but it gives you an overall feel of kind of what I'm going for. It allows these guys to get just a little bit more out of the weather if there is a side wind, because everything else is going to be wire, which it looks like it's coming together. There is going to be a top piece of plywood on the back there from edge to edge, and then the doors are going to slope to the front. Here's a quick still shot of what I have so far. Playtime's over for today. I want to take a quick second and pull on your ear. I want to tell you about flock watch, herd watch, and grass and crop. I saw a guy just last week on TikTok using herd watch for his elk herd. This is a universal unit. I'm not going to lie. In a world where we've got a cell phone strapped on our hip or in our hand, this is exactly what you need. I was looking for it for a long time before I found this one. It allows you to do some really crazy cool things. You can keep up with vaccination protocols, feed purchases, preg checks with your flock and herd, and not to mention the fact that they have a grass and crop, which to us equates to pasture and hayfield. It allows you to talk about what fertilizers you put on there. It maps out your perimeters. Really, honestly, people, just go check this out. I think you're going to like it. Give it a shot, give it a chance. New day, new accomplishments. I got the slope figured out, which is, I believe, a 22-degree slope on that door frame. And I got the frame battened down for the top piece of plywood. I also got the wires sort of started and then realized that I had to stop because I was going to paint it. This wire that I'm using is actually pretty cool. It's a hardware cloth with rubber on it. How about that painting? Not quite the color that I wanted, but grass is green, so why not? I wanted more of a blue. I'm kind of a blue type of connoisseur, but this is what I have so far. It's starting to look damn nice, guys. I'm excited. I did start to mount these as well. They're basically like a little backstop for my wire to go around the edge so that my little rabbits can't slip out. The back isn't 100% completely attached, and the sides aren't either because, well, they're still drying. So, yeah, time to add some wire. Here we go. Look at that. You can't even tell it's on there. How wicked is that? Dude, it looks awesome. I'm excited about that. It took a lot of fighting, I'm not going to lie. Like being all hunched over, stuck in that thing, trying to mess with this big ball of wire. It's an accomplishment. I'm super excited about it. I wanted it to be sort of see-through-ish so that it didn't mess with their eyes because I know looking through wire is kind of a pain in the butt. So I'm hoping that they enjoy it as much as I do. I think it looks awesome. Like I said, the back isn't really 100% attached and neither are the sides, but I do like these little strips that I came up with to hold the wire down. I did use a big old air-powered stapler to get all this done. Courtesy of Greg. Thank you very much, Greg, for acquiring that for me. Like I said, yeah, they're not attached on the back, but that's okay. They're getting there. They're getting there, guys. Each day we do a bit more progress, and it's awesome. But that's kind of a still on what it looks like, and yeah. And now it is done. I was a little bit in a hurry because Greg said that he would appreciate it if my box for my rabbits could get the hell out of his garage. He's wanting to work on his tractor, and the skid loader didn't want to start because it was getting cold. But yeah, that's my division. Plywood, gonna paint it eventually, and then some wire up at the top. These boys are used to living kind of close to each other anyway, but you know, they'll be all right. There will be hutches in the back, but like I said, it's my time in the garage for my little project has come to a screeching halt because Greg needs to use the garage. So this is what I have so far, and hopefully my boys like it. The build is complete. Almost. I still have to do the hutches in the back and the place to set or loaf. I have to figure out where I'm going to attach their hay feeders, come up with a little bit better situation for the food dish for this guy, and then go from there. But look at, dude, it's freaking rocking, and it fits really good in that corner. So there's the gate for the sheep. So I've got plenty of room to come in and come out, and they've got a decent wind block right there with the back from right here, and then this can all be back over here can be storage for them, but they're gonna have plenty of room. So this is the buck pen, the prototype. Everybody has been, well, these two boys have been in it for about a week or a week and a half now. They seem to enjoy it. They have ample space to stand up, to stretch out, to do all the things. I do have to get them their condos. We've been working with some pretty chilly weather the last couple days. Minus 32 at some point, which was pretty stinking brutal. But these guys have been doing awesome. This light colored guy, his name is Wesley. Loving it. I am trying to litter box train a bit. Boys, out. You know, with marginal success. It will happen though. These boys are really adamant about being in one area versus another. But these Flemi boys are just, they're loving life. They're loving life as far as having an ample space, chilling, doing all the things. Yeah. Look at that guy standing up. He looks so stinking cute. I love this breed. Hi. From here on out, I have some does as well that I'm going to try this prototype on as well. They'll be getting their own, to be truthfully honest with you, and that's where they can lounge, have some fun, maybe have some babies in there, kind of go from there. I really like this project, how it turned out. This build was kind of fun, and honestly, I think it's going to take care of my issue with sore hocks. Like every good rabbit farmer, you do have to watch out for underlying issues such as coccidia, but as long as you keep your pens clean, I think that it should be not that big of a deal. Coccidia is transferred through them eating poop or having access to eating their poop. And obviously rabbits do eat their poop. They eat their cecotropes, which is the first poop that they have in the morning. I think we can get the job done just fine. He is super active today, guys. It is so funny to watch him scoot around. He's got some good acrobatics. And then this guy, he's just munching. I did put some shavings here just to block some wind for them while it was so cold. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that this video showed you an out-of-the-box look at what you can do for cage making or pen making for Flemish Giants. Like I said, I'm new to them, so it is a little bit different for me. Just trying to figure all of it out, and so far it's an amazing ride. These are really cool. This is a really cool breed of rabbits. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and like always, we'll check you later.
You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look